Welcome to this quick yet powerful aura cleansing capsule session. In this session, we'll restore your energy and bring clarity to your spirit. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out from your mouth. Allow your body to relax with each breath. Visualize a radiant light surrounding you. This light is pure and healing, ready to cleanse your aura. Let us start with your root chakra, located at the base of your spine. It has a vibrant red light glowing brightly here. As you inhale, imagine this red energy grounding you deeply into the earth. Feel its strength anchoring you, providing stability and security. With each exhale, release all fears and doubts, allowing them to dissolve into the ground. Now, bring your awareness to your sacral chakra, located just below your navel. It has a warm orange light radiating from this area. As you breathe in, feel this orange energy enhancing your creativity and joy. With each breath out, let go of all guilt, shame that may be holding you back. Your sacral chakra is cleansed, purified, energized. Shift your awareness to the solar plexus chakra, found in the upper abdomen. A bright yellow light is shining from the center. As you inhale deeply, feel this yellow energy boosting your confidence and personal power. With every exhale, release all self-doubt and negativity that dims your light. It is shining very brightly, just like sun. It is cleansed, purified, and energized now. Your focus has reached to heart chakra, located at the center of your chest. Imagine a soothing green light surrounding this area. This green energy is promoting love and compassion. As you inhale, let this energy of green light expand within you, opening your heart to give and receive love freely. With each exhale, release all feelings of resentment and hurt. Your heart chakra is cleansed, purified, and energized now. Shift your attention to the throat chakra now, located at the center of your throat. Visualize a calming blue light glowing there. This blue energy facilitates clear communication and self-expression. As you breathe in deeply, feel this blue light empowering you to speak your truth with confidence. With every exhale, let go of all fears and judgments. Next, bring your awareness to your third eye chakra, located between your eyebrows. Picture a indigo light shining brightly in this space. This indigo energy is enhancing your intuition and insight. As you exhale deeply, allow this light to awaken your inner wisdom. As you exhale, release every doubts for your intuition. Your third eye chakra is cleansed, purified, and energized now. Finally, focus on Crown Chakra, located at the top of your head, just like a crown. It has a beautiful violet light radiating from this point. This violet energy connects you to the higher consciousness and spiritual awareness. As you breathe in deeply, feel this violet light expanding upwards, connecting you with the universe and all its wisdom. Now, take a moment to visualize all these lights: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and white, violet shining brightly together as one radiant beam of energy surrounding you. As you begin to close this session, take a deep breath in, hold it, and slowly exhale out through your mouth. When you are ready, wiggle your fingers and open your eyes. Express gratitude to the divine energies, yourself, and everyone around. Thank you so much for attending this session. Press the bell icon to keep getting more such healing sessions crafted just for you. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Leave a heart in the comment section. Thank you so much. Divine gratitude to you for attending this session.